is great, and so is faith, but only things will turn out right. So that means I'll be standing right here in the air, and you will stand along with me. Nature is great, and so is faith, standing around and around in circles. Nature is great, and so is faith, but leaving things I say to be. Nature is great, and so is faith, seeing dreams go by in the wind. Nature is great, and so is faith, standing high on mountains. Nature is great when you see the different colors nature can hold, and nature will keep colors in the mind. So that means bees will fly, birds will chirp, and clouds will move in the air. So that's why nature is great, with faith of the world.